Hello and welcome to this demo of Quickchannel's HubSpot integration. Today I will showcase how to use the integration to collect registrants for live events. I will also showcase how to install the app, how to set it up, how to interact with the data gathered, and also how to uninstall the app. Let's start by installing the app. The easiest way to do that is to go into the Quickchannel console, go into settings, going to integrations, CRM, and click Connect HubSpot. Here you will be prompted to pick which account, ask for permissions, and now we're connected. Our most common use case is to collect for live events, but this can also be done for video on demand. But today I will showcase how to do it for live events. But the way to do it with VOD is pretty similar. So first step is to create a live event. Scroll down and click in HubSpot registration. So now I'll create the event. Now that we've created an event, the next step is to go to HubSpot, go to marketing, go to forms, and create a new form. Pick a template or just use a blank one. The only thing that's required is email, so we'll keep it at that. The next step is to go to automations, workflows, and create a new workflow. We want a contact-based one, and then click Setup Triggers. We want it when an event occurs, and we want to set it to form submission. We want to add the criteria and add the form that we just created. Press save, and then as an action, we want to scroll down to Quick Channel, click Event Registration, and pick the event we made. Click Save, and Review and Publish, and now we're done. When we register through the form, we will receive an invite to the event and be tracked through HubSpot. Let's say that the event has already been. I can then go into HubSpot. I can go to Forms, check the form that we created, and look at all the submissions. See that I've submitted here. If I click on that contact, I can then filter by activity and check Quick Channel to see that, yes, this person watched 55 seconds of our live event. Let's say that you want to uninstall the app. First, you go to App Marketplace, then you go to Manage Apps, search for Quick Channel, and just press Uninstall. Then you go back to the Quick Channel console, go to Settings, Integrations, CRM, and press the wastebasket. Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.